welcome to this Excel concept video. In this video, I will be going over absolute reference and how to copy functions and formulas. If you would like to use the same files that I am using, you can access them at files.learnsoftware.org. There are multiple ways to copy text and formulas within an Excel workbook. The first way is copying with Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and C on your keyboard. Then you can paste with Command or Control V. Another way to copy formula or text into multiple cells is to go to the bottom right corner of the cell you have selected. When you get a little black crosshair, you can click and drag or double-click and the program will automatically fill in the remaining cells. When copying formulas, it is important to understand absolute and relative reference. Relative reference is Excel's default setting. Relative reference changes the formula when it is copied to another cell. Absolute reference remains the same no matter where it is copied to. If I was going to copy the total salary column down, it will be the correct formula. However, if I create a formula for the taxes column where I multiply the total salary by the tax rate, when I copy it down, the formula doesn't work because it is relative reference. I can make it absolute reference by adding dollar signs before the column and cell that I want to make absolute. You can quickly add dollar signs by placing the cursor in the number you want to change and pressing F4. Now that I have made the tax rate absolute, it won't mess up the formula when I copy it down. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in learning more, I recommend going to our YouTube page. We have more videos about Excel as well as other programs.